Alright guys, this is the Milwaukee packout. This is a set of 3 boxes. So this is at Home Depot right now with the Black Friday sale for $1.99. You can get the crate instead of this for $1.79. And I decided to get this because I really don't need the milk crate, but this set really turned out well for me. I got on top here, I just got basic hand tools here, sawzall blades, little clean tool, light, tape, a little bit of drill bit. I got my meter in here, some small wire nuts, batteries, some Allens, and here are all. I also hang TV, so I got the stud finder here. My needle nose, stubby, it's a must. Some klein tool strippers. These aren't the best, but they get the job done. So it's pretty simple to take off. And just pick this up, pull it, and that's it. There's a little handle here. Go on your way. On my next one here, I got a little bit of wire, cable cutters, a level, just a little miscellaneous stuff here, a bit of wire, another stripper. These are better than the other ones, but those up there. Some channel locks is a must. Some bits and all kinds of other tools here. It's a little messy. Did decide to work this morning. And then on my last one, just put it up here. Do the same thing. This one has a handle here since it's a little heavier. Oh, there you go. And this last one, I have 3 batteries, some PVC glue, some gloves, more wire nuts, decals, whatever you want to call them, some staples, hammer. I got a bunch of hose saws in here, which I've been collecting them throughout the years, different job sites, and happens to always fall over here. So got bits, hole saws, safety glasses, not much in here. Here's where I have all my power tools. I got my sawzall, my impact, another hammer, and my drill somewhere over here. But yep, this is it, guys.